Hi, I'm John Millard, Service Manager here at LaFontaine Buick GMC of Ann Arbor. We're conveniently located just off of Jackson Road on Auto Mall Drive. When you arrive for service, you'll want to drive up to the main service garage door on the west end of the dealership. The door will open automatically for you to enter the service lane. There, you will be greeted by a friendly service advisor who will get things started and write up your repair order. Know that we here at LaFontaine Buick GMC of Ann Arbor respect your time and will do our best to complete the work as efficiently as possible without compromising the quality of service. From routine maintenance to collision repair, we fix it right the first time and you always get the family deal. If you decide to leave your vehicle behind during your maintenance or repair visit, we will keep you informed by your choice of voice or text with any important updates and when your vehicle is ready for pickup. If you choose to wait for your vehicle, please help yourself to a refreshment and take advantage of our customer Wi-Fi. Myself and the LaFontaine family want to be sure you are completely satisfied with your experience. If for any reason you feel that we fell short of that or you have questions regarding your vehicle repair, please let us know immediately. We want to see you leave with the same smile you walked in with. After all, this is LaFontaine, the family deal, where it's not just what you get, it's how you feel. LaFontaine.